This is another video sponsored by Casio Malaysia. In this video, I will teach you how to use the new Casio 570EX to solve the integration question which related to the area. Alright, so we can solve this kind of question real quick, but then over here you need to understand some concept is, in order to find this area, I realized the area actually is from the curve toward the x-axis. So in order to find this area, you kind of need to do something like integrate from the value a here, which is the x-intercept, value a here, to the value b here, from a to b. Toward x-axis, that means here must be dx. And then you kind of need to insert the whole equation, which is 2 plus x minus x squared. Alright, then by solving this equation here, then we can straight away get the answer for the area. So now the first thing is we kind of need to solve, well, what is the x-intercept? X-intercept, that means we will make the y equals to 0, right? So 0 equals to 2 plus x minus x squared. Alright, so in order to solve this one, we can use the calculator to do it quickly. Just go to the equation, and then you insert polynomial, and then the power will be degree 2. And then we just insert x squared, which is -1, isn't it? So it will be -1, enter. And then my x is just 1, and then my c will be just 2. Alright, then the calculator will tell me one of my x-intercept will be 2. So I believe my b here will be 2. So we just sub the 2 into the b here. And then I press enter again. And then I know my a here will be -1. So this one will be -1. Okay, of course you can just like factorize this one manually as well. So something like 2, 1, and then x and x, and then this one should be minus, and then this one should be plus. Alright, then you solve it, you should be able to get x equal to -1 or x equals to 2. Alright, so after we find out this thing, definitely we can sub into this equation to find the area. So that's means I need to integrate from -1 to 2. Alright, so how are we going to integrate? We go back to the 1 here, and then we click the integration sign here, and then we tap from 2 plus x minus x squared. And then we press next again to insert from -1 to 2. And then the calculator will tell me the answer will be 9/2. Definitely in the exam we can only use a calculator to check our answer, so we still need to do manually. So over here we try to do manually, see whether we can get back the same answer or not. So if you integrate 2, will give her 2x, integrate x will give her x squared over 2, integrate -x squared will get -x cubed over 3, -1 and 2. So what we want to do now is we want to insert the 2 into the x here, and then we insert the -1 into all the x here. So if I insert 2 here, 2 times 2 is 4. This one is 4/2, which is 2. This one is -8/3. And then if I minus, I insert the -1 into here, I get -2 minus -1 squared will be positive 1. So it will be 1/2. And then this one I insert, I will get plus 1/3. Just now we get the answer is 9/2, right? So I leave the answer here first, and then we check it out later. So we do 4 plus 2 minus 8/3, and then minus, I put a bracket first, okay, -2 plus 1/3, and then okay, plus 1/2 plus 1/3. Okay, so the calculator tell me the final answer is 9/2, which I already get the 9/2 at the very beginning, because I can straight away get the answer just by using the calculator. But like what I say, the calculator only to help you to check the answer. You can, in the exam, you cannot straight away write out the answer. Even though you can just use the calculator to get the answer, you still need to show this kind of working. Alright, so let's have a look one more example, which is slightly more complicated, because I hope this video can also help you to understand about the area for this topic. Alright, so if we have the question like this, same thing, they ask us to find the area of the shaded region, which is the yellow color one. So you want to find this area of shaded region, right? So the concept here is you kind of need to find the area of triangle, and then you will use the triangle, and then you will minus the area under the curve. This is a triangle, it's a straight line, right? And then I have a curve look like this. So I need to use a triangle, I need to minus area under the curve. So because here, very important concept is whenever you integrate the curve, right, you are not getting the part on the top here. You are getting the part below the curve up to x-axis. So the curve will, the area will from the curve all the way to the x-axis. So this is the area you will get when you integrate the curve. Because some students will assume when you integrate the curve, you can get the yellow color part, which is not possible. In order to get the yellow color part, you need to use a triangle to minus area under the curve, which is the green color. Okay, so yeah, so let's do it manually. Alright, first thing is I want to find an area of triangle. I kind of need to know the coordinate P and Q. P is a y-intercept, Q is x-intercept. In order to find y-intercept, quite easy. We just make x equals to 0. So y equals to 0 minus 2, 0 minus 4. Y equals to 8. So I know this value will be 8 here. Alright, so if I want to find x-intercept, will make y 0. So if I make y 0, I will have two choice here, which is x equals to 2 or x equals to 4. Alright, because basically the curve will intersect these 2 points. Right now you kind of need to make decision which coordinate you want to take. And then I see from my curve here, I know this is the first point it touched. So I will choose x equals to 2 here. So I will choose 2 here because I know this curve later, somehow it will just rotate again and then it touch at 4 here. But then the first coordinate it touch will be 2, so I will just choose 2. So if I had 8 and 2, I can find an area of triangle EDD, right? So you just imagine this is 2, this is 8. You can get this area just half time base time height, okay, which is 8 units square. Right, now I get the area under the curve, but I want to get the, now I get an area of triangle, so I want to get the shaded region, which is the yellow color one. So what I want to do is, right now I want to find an area under the curve, which is I will use the 8, okay, shaded region, or area of shaded region, short form for shaded region, alright, will be 8, which is area of triangle, minus integrate. So right now you kind of need to choose, you want to integrate from 0 to 2 or 0 to 8. You can do both of these, but the difference is this one will be toward x-axis, later here will be dx. You can do toward y-axis, will be dy. But if you ask me, I will always recommend you to do the dx here. So if I do dx, that means I will focus on x-axis only, which is this one x-axis, so which is from 0 to 2. So it will be 0 to 2. And then I will just insert the equation, but normally I will just expand the equation, which is x squared 6x minus 2 minus 4 minus 6x plus 8. This one will be the equation after I expand them. Alright, so as long as I solve this one, then I should be able to get the final answer. So this one, it will be, when I integrate x squared, I get x cubed over 3 minus 6x squared over 2 plus 8x. And then this is 0 to 2. Alright, then what I will do next is, I will plug in my number here, which is I will sub the 2 into here. Of course, you can use the calculator to do this kind of question really fast, because this is 0, so it should be easy. So it's something like 2 power of 3 over 3 minus 6 and 2 here. I can simplify it, become 3x squared, right? Minus 3, my x value will be 2, right? Square, and then plus 8 multiplied with 2. So the calculator will tell you is 20 over 3 minus, you sub the 0 into all the x here, you get 0, right? So right now I have 8 minus my answer. So I will just use the answer. So the calculator will actually memorize my answer just now. So my final answer is 4 over 3. Right, so what we can do here is we can actually straight away type a minus. If you want to check the answer, I will insert the whole integration here, and then this one I will just insert x squared, insert the original equation. Alright, so minus 6x plus a, and then I insert from 0 to 2. Then the calculator can also straight away get us the 4 over 3, because a lot of students just assume you need to use the integration sign like independently, but actually you can join with the a here to minus, this is the area under the curve, and then you still will get the correct final answer, which is 4 over 3. Yeah, this video is quite long, but I hope this video can actually help you understand better on how to use the calculator to find the area under the curve. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video.
So if you are interested to buy this calculator, I will share the Lazada link at my description below. The link will bring you to the Casio Flagship store, because right now the Casio Malaysia are doing the promotion. Whoever buy this calculator from them, they will actually free you a Casio L file. I believe this file is waterproof. So this is how you insert the paper into the L file. I believe you know what is L file. And at the same time, if you insert the promotion code, which is my name, I will share at the description below as well, they will give you another 5 ringgit discount for the calculator. Yeah, I guess that's all for this video. Yeah, if you have any question, please post at the comment below, or else I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.